I made some new progress in weightlifting. I got a rubber band down the middle of the phone, so I'm like distracted a little bit. But what I was doing in the gym, I don't know if you can tell, but my chest, my right chest is bigger than my left. I was only doing the bar bench press. I was doing 25s on each side, but that was too much. I was only working the stronger side. So I went down to the bar. I was doing like, I think I got up to 14 reps. I'm just really trying to squeeze this side and really feel it burn on my weaker side. And I could really see the difference in my right side. Like, it's just like inflated with blood. Made some progress on my arms too. My right arm is getting bigger. I can see a noticeable difference like right in this area. Like just the bicep is getting bigger. And that's from doing weighted pull-ups. I was doing pull-ups with no weight, and it just wasn't as good. So I switched to 20 pounds. And I got the belt. If you do dumbbells, that's okay. I recommend a belt. I was lifting my shoulder up too. That one's like harder to see. You could tell. Like this side, if it comes up, it's like more even. It's hard to see. But yeah, like this side is like lower. I'm gonna try and like make it drastic. This is like this. Now it's getting more even. When I lift it up, you can kind of see. And deadlift for final one. Really working this leg, my right leg. I was doing 25 pounds on each side, then I worked it up to another 25, then a 10, so I think it was 165. 60, 120, yeah, 165. That was my final. I was doing like 5 reps, increasing the weight. And my final one, I did 165 for like 6. This is the right form for deadlift too. Keep your back straight as hell. You want to pull your hips forward. A little demonstration. So I'm going to keep working pull-ups, weighted pull-ups. I'm not like leaning on one side and just pulling with this. That's not good. That's when you get your chest involved too. But I'm really focusing on my weaker arm, or pulling equal amounts, but this one's gonna get tired more quick. So just pay attention when you're not pulling with your weaker side. Same thing with bench. I would recommend, if you got a noticeable difference, just start with a bar. Really work on your form. I recommend you, like, don't go straight, push your back out. Really focus on pushing right here. Nothing else. Don't use your arms. Let's see if I can get it tired right here. I think that was it. Oh yeah, let me show you my back. The deadlift. Deadlift really works on your posture. So if you got bad posture, it's going to strengthen these muscles right here. This is how you really want to be. I'm really pulling on these muscles right now. Almost kind of like you want your heels, your weight on your heels. It's like better for your stomach too. Like my abs are showing more when I do this instead of being like. You'll get it. Play around with it. Until next time.